Imagine a lifestyle strategy that could transform your health, boost your brain function, and even help you live longer. This isn't a far-fetched idea. It's a reality with intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting isn't a diet. It's a pattern of eating. It's all about when you eat rather than what you eat. This method involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. It's surprisingly simple, yet profoundly effective. Some popular types of intermittent fasting include the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window, and the 5-2 diet, which involves eating normally for 5 days and restricting calories for 2 non-consecutive days. The benefits of intermittent fasting are impressive. It can lead to weight loss, improved metabolic health, and enhanced brain function. It may even increase your lifespan. Moreover, research suggests it could lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. One of the ways intermittent fasting achieves this is by improving insulin sensitivity. During fasting periods, insulin levels decrease, making cells more receptive when you do eat. This helps regulate blood sugar levels more efficiently. Fasting also triggers cellular repair processes, reduces inflammation, and leads to beneficial changes in hormone levels. Intermittent fasting can also improve your lipid panel markers, which are indicators of your cardiovascular health. It's associated with reduced levels of LDL, or bad cholesterol, increased levels of HDL, or good cholesterol, and decreases in triglyceride levels. This can lead to a healthier balance of cholesterol and triglycerides in your blood, reducing your risk of heart disease. However, while intermittent fasting offers a myriad of benefits, remember, everyone's body responds differently. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting a fasting regimen, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. In summary, intermittent fasting is a powerful tool for improving your health. It's not just about losing weight. It's about enhancing metabolic health, improving brain function, potentially increasing longevity, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. It's about making a positive, lasting change to your lifestyle. Remember, the journey to better health is a marathon, not a sprint. With patience, perseverance, and the right approach, you can harness the power of intermittent fasting to transform your life.